Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an animal. It's a wild and elusive predator known for its strength and stealth, typically not human-friendly. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as panther, panther, pan, fa, panther. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as panther, panther, pan, the panther. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about panthers, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.